Hi, good afternoon. It's David Stoffo here with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us directly at 770-614-6968. Today I want to show you this super nice Crest II 220 tri-tune boat that we have in stock. Brand spanking new 2019 model. This Crest is trimmed in navy blue with the steel gray accents. So super nice color pattern there. It brings the light gray into the interior. You do have the polyvinyl floor that's of the rustic weathered gray to kind of pull that color in. This boat is powered with a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. Very powerful engine. Definitely makes this boat a ski boat, a water sports boat. The boat is outfitted with the CPT Performance Edition on this boat. That includes several items that comes with that package, including the aluminum underskinning, the C-Star hydraulic steering that'll help the boat turn nicely. It comes with that Junior Beast ski tow bar that we can see there. It's really nice. You have the lifting strakes on the pontoon logs themselves and splash guards. They do have a full length keel as well, so super nice boat. The 48-gallon tank is included as well in that center log, so that's super good. This model has the SLS floor plan, which has this really nice rear lounger here that kind of converts to sit facing back here when water sports is going on, or maybe you're just sunning. And then once you get underway, this is a nice way to sit looking forward, so you're with the captain a lot. So another nice thing on these boats, you have this nice little storage area. We'll have our clients use that for fenders. A good place to put your fenders, maybe a tackle box, a fishing pole, cooler, a Yeti will pop right down in there. So that's a real nice little storage area. I like the all fiberglass helm. We can see this one has the deluxe sport tilt wheel there. You also have the depth finder already on the boat, the hours meter, nice little gauge package or cluster here. You've got Bluetooth stereo. It's a fusion stereo that does use Bluetooth. It's Sirius satellite ready as well. You've got the premium stereo on this boat with the lit color rings, the LED lighting around the speakers. You also have your captain's cooled cup holder, which is a super neat option. Keep your drink cool for you. Little storage area here for your wallet and your keys and your valuables perhaps. Love this boat. It performs wonderful with the 150 and the tri-tune. It's going to give your family plenty of performance, but yet a lot of room to hang out with a couple of families on a Saturday. So if you have any questions, please contact us directly at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We can be reached at 770-614-6968. We'd love to hear from you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.